Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, brown color, and green color. So kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. So kids, now I draw F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now I draw J and use black color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. So kids, now I draw N and use blue color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now I draw R and use brown color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. So kids, now I draw V and use green color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So kids, now I draw numbers, and first I draw 1 and use red color. 1 2 3 4 5. So kids, now I draw 6 and use yellow color. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.